Hi everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers for your feedback and support. It's really important to me and keeps me motivated to work on my channel. The channel is doing well. As you may know, a couple of months ago we actually celebrated a 1000 subscriber mark, which is a great milestone for my channel. Naturally, I'd like to make more videos and release them more frequently. However, I'm asking you to understand that producing content is actually not an easy task. It takes quite a while to shoot footage and then edit it later. That being said, I already have footage for 5 out of 7 episodes for the next season of Make Acura Great Again project, and I'm starting to work on them really soon. So you should be expecting the first episode to come out somewhere in November. I also have a lot of other ideas and subjects I'd like to cover in my videos, so I'm working on those as well. The summer is over, so it's time to lose some weight and start grinding on those videos. I hope you like my content, and I'd like to thank you very much again for supporting my channel. As always, drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time!